everyone, my name is Vidya. I'm a beauty influencer and a content creator. So today I have a beginner's makeup tutorial for you guys. It looks like a lot of effort, but it is super simple, and the products that I've used are must-have products. So if you like what you're seeing, then keep on watching. The first step is to moisturize your skin really well. I've already moisturized my skin and it's all prepped for the foundation to go. I'm using one of my favorite drugstore foundation, which is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is in the shade 330. To conceal my dark areas, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics waterproof concealer. This is in the shade 40. To set my under eyes, I'm using the LA Girl Pro powder. This is in the shade Banana Yellow. Now for eyebrows and eyelids, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave palette. This is such a good palette. You can do a lot with this palette. So using this palette, I'm also going to do my brows. So I'm going to use this black shade right here and carve my brows out. I'm just going to shave my brows because I don't do much of it. Now I'm going to just deepen my crease using this color. Now I'm just going to put some mascara on. So I'm going to first curl my lashes. Next, to bring back some color and definition, I'm just using this Sugar Cosmetics face palette. This is my favorite palette. First, I'm using this contour shade and bringing warmth back. Now for the blush, this is such a dusky rose color. This highlighter just suits every skin tone. It is made in such a way. I love this highlighter. For lips, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade 02, which is called Brink of Pink. Didn't I tell you that it was so easy to get this makeup look? It is super simple, focused on fresh and dewy skin. I love everything about this look, and I am going to come up with more such looks. And all the products that I used in this makeup tutorial is available on LimeRoad. Do check them out, and I will be back with more soon.